Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your custom domain or subdomain in your EzyCourse website. So let me go ahead and show you how you can do that. So once you log into your dashboard, you will see your website is branded with .ezycourse.com. So all you need to do is click on site setting, then settings, and then you can simply come in, here and you will see we will have an instructions given here under custom domain, and you need to be under the site information from site settings, site information, and here you can use your custom domain. For now we are using IP, but at some point we will change it to CNAME records. Okay, so let me how we can create a custom domain and attach to this website using the IP provided here, and how the root domain and the subdomain works together. Okay, so let me go ahead and log into one of my domain here. So it's called epifilelab.com. If I go, I have to go to the advanced DNS. So it's almost same for every provider. So I'm using Namecheap, and I really recommend you to use Namecheap as well, because this is one of the easiest and coolest and the fastest one actually. So what I will be doing is that I will go ahead and so you need to create an A record first thing first. You need to create an A record. Okay, so I will go ahead here and I will be selecting the record type first, A record, and here is the main thing. So if you want to connect your original domain, let's say abc.com, right? So you will be using at here. But if you want to use some sorts of subdomain, let's say course.abc.com, so you will be using course here. That's all you need to do, either at or the name of your subdomain. Okay, so I will be using a subdomain here, testing. Okay, so I will be using testing here, and then I will be connecting my IP here. That's all, and just click save. Perfect. Now once this is done, what I will have to do is that I have to come here, and without typing any www here, I will have to write testing at epifilelab.com. But I will see first if we have any page here. If it gives 404 page, that means the IP is already connected and we are good to go. So if it is connected, it will try to install the SSL and other informations, and if it cannot find the IP address connected to this server, then it will ask you to wait for a couple of hours. It might take some time, 24 hours or less, depending on what kind of DNS server you are using. Okay, so I'll hit save, and it will take a couple of minutes to install the custom domain and everything for us. And once it's installed, it will redirect me to the current custom domain website, and that domain has been installed, and it will take me to my website, and I would be logged out because my session is no longer valid for this new domain. Okay, so the session is actually part domain wise. So this is how it looks. But one thing I would like to tell you is that your old EzyCourse domain still would work. So you might notice that your old subdomain would be working. Look at that. So this is programming.ezycourse. So this is still working, right? So we kept it for the backup reasons, and at some point after a few days, you might see it blocked or redirecting to your main website. But we have to keep it for now for the backup purposes, because sometimes people get locked and they don't see the website. They see some sort of red errors or something like that. So in order to avoid those circumstances, we would be keeping this backup URL for you. Okay, but your website is actually already connected. So what you can do is that you can just go to your custom domain where you connected. So just hit that, and boom, you are in. Right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.